Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Monday the 8th of August, and today was a very interesting day. It was a lot of fun. The market did gap down and just ran lower from there, and right now it's at 1087. It's very very fun market and kind of mind-boggling at the same time. We had 9 trades today for a maximum profit potential of 37.25 points or 149 ticks. Actual entries and exits called out in the room made 22.25 points or 89 ticks. Just to put that into perspective a little bit more, $50 per point, you're looking at $500 every 10 points. So a little over $1,000 made today in the points from the entries and the exits called. So definitely made it for a pretty fun day. We took a long, a short. Tried to get long, got stopped, went short. Ran that thing down a little bit. Then we did grab a little long, and shorted it again. So we did have a lot of fun today, and I didn't think the market was going to trade as low as it did, but that's why I say it was really interesting. I did not foresee 1087. When I got home and pulled up my charts, it was I knew it was a possibility, but I wasn't expecting it. So seeing it, I was kind of shocked, and I didn't think it was going to happen this quick. But that's why that's why we day trade. We get in, we get out. We go have fun. We don't have to worry about trades that we're in, or what's the market going to do when it opens. Say if you're in equities or something. You don't really have to worry about it. You're like, well, made some money today. Let me go out and do whatever. Who cares what the market's going to do overnight, and then come trade it again the next day. That's my whole philosophy, and it worked out good. The room's open for 2.5 hours, so in 2.5 hours you make a little over $1,000. You go have fun, come back, and approach it again. Do you make $1,000 every day? Definitely not. But we do try to make a little bit of money every day, and that's all that really matters. You try to make a little bit, you get out, you come back, try and make a little bit, you get out, come back. You just keep doing it over and over again, and hopefully you have more money at the end of the week than you had before. So that's the whole concept. That's what you want to do, but I know it's easier said than done. I've been doing it for a while. Those of you who are new to the game or want to get in the game, it's you're probably looking at this, yeah, it's easier said than done, but I tell people, go back, watch the videos. I don't want to brag on myself. I don't usually brag on myself, and but I do get a lot of questions. Is it possible? Go back and watch the videos. There are a couple losing days in there. They're sporadic, and I have no idea which days they are. I haven't gone back, and I haven't kept track of it at all. So I don't really feel like going through all that and figuring out which days were losers, because I don't like to focus on that. But anyway, we did have a lot of fun today. Hopefully we'll have just as much fun tomorrow. The website, encourage you to stop by and check it out. It's www.businesswithtrading.com. We have a ton of fun. We do have a mentorship class starting in September 1st, and what that is, every Sunday night, I get a class together. I talk about, I really delve deep, talk about my strategy, what I do, how I approach things. I discuss a lot about psychology, and I really get into everything you have to do to be a successful trader. And every Sunday night is a classroom setting, and I do it every Sunday because that gives me 6 days in between to meet with everyone individually, and I have enough time to meet with them as much as they need. So it gives a lot of interactivity, and it allows me to get to know everyone, because and that's why I have a limited amount of people that can sign up for it, so that way I have that time to devote to everyone. Because not only do I teach you, I also give you a catered trading plan, and I cater it to each person. So that's why I really need to get to know everyone, because everyone's different, everyone's going to react different. We can have the same exact system, but we're going to trade it a little bit differently, because we're all individuals, we're all different people. So that's why I have it set up like I do. In the group setting, it's just easier just to go over the information. I get questions. Somebody might ask a question, but it might help out someone else as well. So that's why I do that. And then when we do get together on an individual basis, we can go over things a little bit more in detail, according to who you are as a person, as opposed to who everyone is in the group. So that's why I have it set up like that, and I felt that was the best way to do it. I remember when I was a new trader starting out, and something like this is definitely something I would have been a part of. I would have enjoyed it, and that's the whole point of why I'm doing this. It's fun, it's educational, and everyone can get something out of it. You can learn how to be a successful trader, and you don't have to pay a lot of money and spend a lot of time. So my course, some people might think it's cheap, some people might not, but after you go through it and learn everything, you will have saved a lot of time and a lot of money. Losses can accrue pretty quickly in the ES market, and it is what it is. But if you're interested, definitely check it out. Email me with any questions or whatnot. It does start September 1st, and space is limited, so definitely check that out. We also have a live trading room if you want to do that. I have a contact form in the upper right hand side of the website, so don't hesitate to send me out any questions you might have. I know this video is a little bit long, but if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, anything, don't hesitate to send me out anything. There's no such thing as a dumb question. There's only the question that's not asked. If you don't know something about a certain topic, ask a question. No one's gonna think any less of you. I was a new trader once, and I'm pretty sure I asked people questions that they thought were stupid questions, but I didn't, and I asked them. So and that's how I've gotten to where I am today. So that and a few other things as well, but definitely that was one of them. But anyway, encourage you to check out the website, and it may or may not be for you. My style of trading is definitely my style of trading, and that's another reason why I like to meet with everyone individually who's a part of the mentor class, because like I say, everyone's going to trade the system a little bit differently. So anyway, that's what I wanted to talk about. I know this video is a little bit long, so I apologize for that. If you do enjoy it, however, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Definitely would appreciate that. And I have been really enjoying the feedback, guys, so I really appreciate it. Hope everyone has an awesome night, and I will see everyone in the morning. Thanks for watching.